Is your home a reflection of your soul, or just a collection of stuff? Sparkles. Most people see cheap materials. At Beki Décor, we see Material Alchemy. Today, we're decoding the thrift revelation, turning dollar store finds and eco-friendly scraps into breathtaking, high-end treasures. Let's make your space feel like a designer haven without breaking the bank. Welcome back to Beki Décor, the sanctuary for organic minimalism and sustainable artistry. I'm Beki. I remember spending a few evenings with a handful of dollar store bits that ended up becoming my favorite conversation pieces. That small victory is what inspired today's journey. Whether you're looking to add a pop of color or incorporate natural textures, we are mastering stunning home decor ideas that anyone can create today. I'm sharing my senior designer secrets on how to blend thrift with creativity to curate a home you'll fall in love with all over again. Let's get grounded. The artistry of thrift 1. The limestone vessel. Dollar Store Alchemy. Luxury is about tactile integrity. Step 1. Take a basic glass or plastic vessel. Step 2. Apply our limestone slurry. This is Material Alchemy. By adding texture, you remove the cheap reflection of the plastic and replace it with the visual weight of stone. This dollar store home decor craft turns a discarded bit into a show-stopping highlight for your entryway. The artistry of thrift 2. The eco-minimalist wall hanging, sustainable style. We're practicing biophilic styling. Step 1. Use a found organic anchor, like this weathered branch. Step 2. Layer your textile scraps. This is sustainable luxury. It enhances your home's decor while reflecting your values of creativity and environmental consciousness. It's an eco-friendly aesthetic that breathes life into a blank wall. The artistry of thrift 3. The curated tray. The power of grouping. To achieve breathtaking results, you must master linear rhythm. Step 1. Use a tray to corral your small objects. Step 2. Keep the color palette monochromatic. This turns clutter into a curated display. It's an approachable way to incorporate natural textures and small keepsakes, making them feel like high-end designer objects. The artistry of thrift 4. The tallow glow shadow architecture. The final 10% is shadow architecture. By placing soft, warm light inside your DIY textured jars, you highlight the living history of the materials. Your room doesn't just look decorated, it feels atmospheric. This is the secret to a soulful sanctuary on a dollar store budget. Before you head out to start your own small victory project, I just wanted to say a sincere thank you. Thank you for spending these moments of your day with me at Beki Décor. Your passion for turning the simple into the stunning is what makes this community so vibrant. Every time you share your DIY wins, you're helping us grow a family of mindful creators who know that beauty is a choice, not a price tag. If you haven't already, I'd love for you to officially join the family. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you for being here, and for making this space so special. I'll see you in the next one. As we look at these finished pieces, remember, today wasn't just about crafts or thrift. It was about agency. It was about the power of your own two hands to transform your environment. Your home is the sanctuary where your life unfolds. And when you infuse it with your own creativity, you are telling the world that you value the journey over the purchase. You don't need a luxury budget to have a designer life. You just need the vision to see the keepsake in the scrap. Thank you for letting me be a part of your story today. Stay inspired and stay grounded.